By the end of today's lesson, you should know what is meant by a complex number and why they are necessary to solve some equations, and to be able to add, subtract, and multiply complex numbers. If you see notebook in the top right-hand corner of the slides, please make sure that you copy over the notes to your notebook for revision purposes. Let's have a recap of adding and multiplying complex numbers. Find the missing complex number in each box by adding the numbers in the two boxes below. Take this complex number and this complex number, add them together and write the answer in the tile above. Complete the pyramid in the same way. Similarly for the diagram here on the right, except you are now multiplying the two complex numbers together. Stop the PowerPoint and then I will go through some answers. Okay, let's take a look at adding first of all. So we are adding together these two at the bottom, here and here. And that will give us 6 plus 2i. And over on the right we have 4 plus 7i. And adding these two gives us 10 plus 9i. Over on the right now, let's do some multiplying. So we are multiplying this complex number by this one. I'll show you my working out down at the bottom. So we have 2i plus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 4i. Multiplying this out gives us 6i minus 8i squared plus 3 minus 4i. Substituting in minus 1 for I squared. And then simplifying gives us 11 plus 2i. Next one, we are multiplying 3 minus 4i by minus 3i. So this will give us minus 9i plus 12i squared. Substitute in the minus 1 again for I squared there. That's minus 9i plus 12 multiplied by minus 1, which will simplify to minus 12 minus 9i. So let's write those two in. 11 plus 2i minus 12 minus 9i, and then multiplying these two together. So that's a minus 132 minus 99i minus 24i and minus 18i squared. Again, substituting in for I squared. With the minus 1 and simplifying. Gives us our answer. Minus 114 minus 123i. Now, please turn to exercise 1A on page 5 and complete questions 1 to 7.